In this video, we'll show you the latest developments in the integration between OpenKM and ChatGPT. Here, we can see a document from which we can ask ChatGPT questions about the content. OpenKM displays information synthesized by the intuitive computing engine. ChatGPT can also extract the full text of the document and even generate summaries about the content, which can be used to complete the description section of documents. This information can then be used to locate the file through the search engine. The integration between OpenKM and ChatGPT has been optimized so that the AI can now perform these tasks with more complex documents, such as handwritten documents, typewritten, and scanned files. We see that in all cases the integration's performance is optimal. A very interesting advancement for any company is the ability to automatically extract metadata from invoices in OpenKM thanks to ChatGPT. In these examples, as you can see, the format of each invoice does not pose an obstacle for text extraction, summarization, or capturing the most important data from any invoice. This data then populates the document's metadata, which can, of course, be used to find the document or perform other document management tasks, such as report generation. If you'd like to know more about this integration, please don't hesitate to contact us.